Okay, so I'm on a blog post and I've installed an SEO plugin, and so we scroll down here and down the bottom you're going to choose a keyword that you think the blog post is most about, that people might search for. So your title that you've chosen is great. If it's as you type it, it comes up with things people are searching for. You can check, and if you want to be very diligent, I don't do this all the time, but if you put it into, it's called Google Keywords Tool. So you just search for, I'll just go back here, so it's Google Keyword Tool. And so I'm going to search for that term. Okay, and here that term is median competition, and it's got 33,000 monthly searches people search. And here's some other keywords that are related to it, and notice some of them have really high competition and some are low, and some have different amounts of searches. Obviously brooches has more searches because it's many more people searching for different kind of all different kinds of brooches. So sometimes you can find, oh, there's actually a term here that's got low, that's actually really in your niche, but there isn't anything, so we're just going to go with a brooch bouquet. And then you're going to generate an SEO title, which comes from this thing here, and also make sure your keyword is in the URL here, and then content, and then there's a thing called a meta description, which describes what it is, and you probably want to put brooch in it, and it's the thing that appears in the search engine. So if I scroll down again, this is what it looks like if someone was to search for that. So it's got those words there that are taking the first words from your blog, but you may not want those to be the introduction to your blog post when someone's searching Google, or you might. So I will probably just use those, but I might edit them slightly just to improve the, I'm going to copy from there, you can copy from the blog post. These extremely talented at design, just love how creative. So when it comes to bridal bouquet, so bridal, when it comes to bridal bouquet, so I probably want to put the word brooch in there because I want to include the word, just love the bridal when it comes to, and I'm just going to put brooch bridal bouquets to include. I have to update. And it's I need to put them next to each other because in a different order. So you want the exact same. That's why it hasn't gone green. Sorry. Bridal brooch bouquets, and then yes, it is. And then I'm going to update it. It's gone yellow. Now probably to make it green I would have a look at some of the tags that you've used. So you've I put brooch in here as well, and put it also in the alternative text. I realise probably not many blind people are looking at this, but Google still looks at it because it doesn't see pictures, it's just a computer program. So I'm going to put that alternative text, and that helps Google know what the picture's about. I'm going to update it. I mean, yellow is still great SEO, but it's good to get it green if you can. So I'm not going green, so I'll probably may not go green. There you go. And there's, it might not, because it usually Google likes more words, but I mean this is a photo blog, so there aren't going to be loads of words, and this is all green, so that would be cool. You can go to in-page analysis, and the main thing they're wanting is more words, but I wouldn't worry about that. So basically you've optimized the page for this keyword phrase, and that will mean that you will go up the Google ratings for this. If you would ever write about brooch bouquets again, it would be a good idea to just have a little link. Now you've got one link to the down here, but if you were to write about another company, you could link to this blog post and just have a little thing saying brooch bouquets and link to this other blog post, and that will give you more links within and help with your keyword.